Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help you troubleshoot and fix common household appliance issues. Today, we're diving into the Kenmore Microwave F6 error code, which has been a headache for many users, especially with newer models around 2025. If your microwave is flashing that F6 code, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step so you can get back to heating up your meals in no time. First off, what does the F6 error mean? In Kenmore microwaves, this code usually points to a problem with the touchpad or the control panel. It could be something simple like a glitch, or it might indicate a more serious issue like a faulty sensor or wiring problem. This error is common in models from the mid-2020s, so if you have a recent Kenmore unit, you're not alone in dealing with this. Now, let's talk about possible causes. The F6 error often stems from a dirty or damaged touchpad, loose connections in the control board, or even interference from moisture buildup inside the microwave. Sometimes, it's as easy as a power surge tripping things up, but in other cases, it might require a deeper look. Don't worry, I'll walk you through some easy troubleshooting steps. Start by unplugging your microwave from the wall for at least 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches and might solve the problem right away. Once it's plugged back in, test it out. If the error persists, carefully inspect the touchpad for any stuck buttons or debris. Use a soft cloth to clean it gently, avoid harsh chemicals that could damage the surface. Next, check the microwave door to ensure it's closing properly. A misaligned door can trigger the F6 code because of the safety switches. If everything looks good but the error won't go away, you might need to consider replacing the touchpad or consulting a professional technician. Remember, working with electrical appliances can be dangerous, so if you're not comfortable, call in an expert to avoid any risks. In summary, the F6 error is usually fixable with basic checks, but if it's a hardware issue, it might need parts replacement. We've covered the essentials here, but if you have more questions or your own fixes, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on keeping your home running smoothly. See you next time.